Hey, come on, folks, step right up. Get your hot dogs. The best hot dogs in New York. Yeah, hey, it's a beautiful day, eh? Come on, folks, step right up.
Hey, come on, get out of there, shoot. Get out of here, come on, kitty. Get your sausages.
All right, let's go, folks. Step right up. Take it down. Start in the beginning.
Ooh, la-di-da. Well, whoa.
I said, get out of here.
Looks like Louie's got a visitor. Could be time for the Dodge to turn this into a total catastrophe.
Hey, get out of here. Hey, get out of here. Ah, shoot.
Oh, you sure picked the wrong guy to get hot dogs from, kid.
Get away from me.
Oh, chill out, man. I don't eat cats. It's too much fur. I've been watching you, and I think you're in serious need of some professional guidance. Now, what do you say we team up and change old Louie's mind about sharing some of those hot dogs?
Well, I'm not going back there again.
Hey, be a snap, kid. I'm an expert at these things. All you gotta do is learn some moves.
Moves?
You know, tempo, a rhythm. This city's got a beat. You gotta hook into it. And once you get the beat, you can do anything.
I can?
Absolutely, positively. The man you see before you is affectionately known as Old Louie, a well-known enemy of the four-legged world. Our mission, Cat, is to liberate those all-beef kosher Franks and hightail it out of here. Starting to feel that rhythm?
Well, Yeah, I do feel it. When are we gonna get those hot dogs?
Right now.
Hey, get out of here.
Hey! Hey, get out of there! Hey, look out! I'm getting